Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to connect a sound bar to a TV. This will be a full tutorial and a complete tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a sound bar and I'm looking at the back of the TV, and these are the things that you will need to connect your sound bar to the TV. So let's take the sound bar down. I'm going to place it on the ground and I'm going to show you the back of it. Now there are essentially three connections that you need to make for the most part. So number one, the sound bar needs power, okay? So you want to make sure you provide power to the sound bar. The second thing is it needs to be able to connect to the audio of the TV, to the audio output of the TV. You want the TV to send audio out to the sound bar. So you need to connect it to the audio out of the TV. And thirdly, if you have an attached subwoofer, you need to be able to connect that as well. This is the subwoofer that is connected. So, we're going to be attaching this as well. So it's pretty easy to do. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to be providing power to the subwoofer. So I have the, to the sound bar and the subwoofer. This cord is actually going to provide power to both of them. So as you can see right here, as far as I know, it's going to provide power to both of them. There shouldn't be another plug on the subwoofer. If you look at the subwoofer, some of them might be externally powered, but this one just has that audio cable. There's no plug on it. So we're gonna get this right here, and then this over here is the power that plugs into the actual soundbar. So there's the power port right there. You can see it says like the power symbol right there. We're gonna plug one end in right here. That's the first step. And I'm going to get the other end and plug it into the electrical outlet. That is the next step over here. We'll plug it in on this side right over here, just like that. So now we've provided power to the soundbar. That's the first step, okay? Now the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to connect it to the audio output of the TV. Now in this case, we are going to be using an optical audio cord, which is a very common thing to use. However, there are a few other options, but I'll show you in a moment. But first I'll show you how to connect this right here. This is the optical audio right here. So this is what it looks like. And basically you're going to look for the correct port on the sound bar, which I'll show you right now. I'm just going to place this down like that. I'll try and get it so you can see exactly what I'm doing. I believe it's somewhere over here. Here it is right here. And it only goes in one direction. So you want to make sure you plug it in the appropriate direction. I'm just looking to see which way it goes in, like this. So it's shaped so it only goes in one way. So I've plugged it in. As you heard, it clicked in place right there. And we have the other end right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the TV, okay? So let's go to the TV, and we are going to look for our digital audio out, okay? So as you can see right here, it actually says digital audio out. This is our optical, as it says, as I said earlier. I'm going to take this port. It only goes in one direction right here. We're going to plug it in. Just like that, it clicked in place. So now we've connected it to the TV out. So the TV is sending audio out to the soundbar. That's what you want. There's another option, which is over here. You can see it says audio out as well. And you have your red and your white cables. So your white cable is for mono sound, only coming from the left. And if you want right and left, you need the red and the white. Okay, if you want stereo sound. So you can alternately, if your soundbar has the option, you can plug it into this right here, which would be the audio out, but the red and the white port. That's another option. And the last thing that you have to do to connect your soundbar to the TV, and you can stop there, but I would recommend that if you have the option for a subwoofer that you use it. So here's the end. This wire right here connects to the subwoofer. All that we have to do is just plug it in. It goes right over there, if you can tell right there. You just plug it in just like that. Make sure it's nicely fit in there, and that's it. You're good. That is how to connect a soundbar to a TV. Now you can go ahead and get your TV settings to fit with the soundbar so that your TV sends its sound to the soundbar itself. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.